Thanks for giving me this opportunity to create an experience video for learning session. So let's start. Hello everyone, this side Debjyoti Misra and I am an intern in PCS Global. I would like to discuss about some basic web development with HTML. So let's go for brief discussion with my shared screen. So HTML means hypertext markup language. This is an example of simple HTML code. This is the starting of HTML and this is body and the body end and what HTML end. H1 means heading, this is an heading tag, and P means this is a paragraph tag. And if we want run this code, we have to use one editor and one web browser. After written in editor, we have to use .html example and then we run in browser. HTML images. If we want any image in any page, we have to use imgsrc and then link of the particular images. And if we want, we use height and width. HTML tables. Tables means row and column. And if we want that particular things, we have to use table tag and end table tag, tr start and tr end. HTML list. List means sequence. If we want any sequence in a page, we have to use ul tag. And HTML ID. HTML ID means the same thing, the object creation in Java. Same thing in different way. And then HTML comments. If we want any word or any sentence comment in the HTML code, we have to use that particular things. HTML layout. Layout means header, footer and part of any page. Now HTML symbol. There are many symbol available in HTML. So we have to written that particular things for that particular symbol. HTML href attribute. Href is most important topic in HTML. If we want link any page to another page, we use href tag in HTML code. Thank you. That's all from my part.